A common question that I get is how the F on Redbubble do you get up to 1,000 designs in your shop? So look at some of these artists you can follow. 750, 3,400, 4,500. Holy moly. So what are we going to do here to get our design count up? Well, I've got a system that I'm going to show you in this video. It's 3 steps. It's pretty easy. Let's jump in. All right, so step 1 is to find some sort of a niche that has the potential to have variance in it. So I'm just looking around on Redbubble here. I see this guy's got some really cool location designs. And I'm like, maybe I can compete in this niche. So I'm not talking about niche marketing in this video. I'm just using this as an example. We're going to go with locations, and that's going to be our niche that we can have lots of variance in. I'm looking for at least 30 or 40 variants to make this worth my while. Step 2 is to use whatever graphics design program you're using and make all your designs the exact same size. So here I'm in Photoshop and I've got 5,000 by 5,000 pixels, 300 DPI, and that's going to be the size of my drawing. Okay, so here's my simple travel design. It's 5,000 by 5,000. I'm going to save this now as a PNG. And then I'm going to make a bunch of variants. So here's a variant. It's just a name of a city and it's different than Toronto. I could have 30 different city names very easily. Okay, so the first time you upload a design, you're going to go here to the top right, account, and you're going to go to add new work. And then from here, I'm going to go to upload new work. My Toronto design is now uploading, and I'm going to type in my title, my tags, and my description. And I've got all of my products optimized, ready to go. Some of them are patterns, some of them are the right size. I'm happy with the way all of this looks. I have them all activated, and I'm good. At the top, for my description, I'm going to leave it relatively vague because I don't want to change this based on the image that I'm uploading. So I'm leaving this as is going forward. Down at the bottom, my media is going to be design and illustration, digital art. I'm going to maximize it as sticker. And is this mature content? No. And I'm going to click save work. Okay, my design is now posted. And here's the last step. I'm going to click add another design. And then right here where it says add new work, I'm not going to upload a new work. Instead, what I'm going to do is copy my existing work. So I'm going to click on copy, and then from here, I'm going to see my Toronto design. Now I simply click this little gear icon. It's right there, and I'm going to go to copy settings. Now what you're going to find is my entire first upload is now back with all of the optimized designs at the bottom. So now I'm going to click replace all images, and here now I've uploaded my Calgary image, and now for my actual tagging, I can just simply change out the last word from Toronto to Calgary. And for my tags, I can change my last tag to Calgary. Now you may have more than just one. You might have Calgary Travel Fun, Calgary Gift, that sort of thing. But the idea here is to minimize the actual amount of text that you have to update manually. So you're gonna have to do some. Now I scroll on down, everything is already set. I don't have to change any of my designs because it's the exact same size. It's 5,000 by 5,000 pixels. And down here at the very bottom, this is all set, this is all set, this is all set. I simply go click and I click save work. So within about 15 seconds, I can move on to the next design and I can have that uploaded successfully onto Redbubble as well. So when I go here to my portfolio, you're going to see there's 2 now, and you can simply click on copy settings to make this work. You can access this in a few different areas. So if you just get onto Redbubble and you want to copy a design, then you'll go here to the top right and you'll go to Manage Portfolio. So that's where it's hiding. And under Manage Portfolio, you'll see all your designs. You'll click on the little gear icon and you'll go to Copy Settings. From there, you simply replace the image, replace the few tags, everything else is already defaulted, click Publish, and you're on your way to getting 1,000 designs. I really hope you found this helpful. Redbubble can be arduous, but it doesn't have to be. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your print-on-demand journey.